Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to download Hamster Kombat application on your iPhone. Make sure you watch the video till the end. The first thing to do is to open your App Store or your Google Play Store. If you search for Hamster Kombat into the search box, you will come across different applications related to Hamster Kombat. Though you will be able to find lots of applications referring to Hamster Kombat, you will not be able to find it in your Google Play Store or your App Store. To get the official Hamster Kombat app, you will first need to go ahead and download the Telegram app. Type in Telegram in the search box and search. From the search results, look for the Telegram Messenger app and download it onto your device. Wait for the application to download and install. Once the Telegram Messenger app is downloaded, tap on Open. Click on Start Messaging from the first interface. Enter your phone number after selecting your country from the drop-down. Click on Continue once you are done entering the phone number. Verify your mobile number. After verifying your phone number, go ahead and enter your information, that is your first name and then your last name, to get started with Telegram. Click the Continue button and then there you have successfully opened up your Telegram application. After you're inside the main home page of Telegram, go ahead and get to the chat page. In the chat section, go to the search box and type in Hamster Kombat. You will be able to see the search results for Hamster Kombat. Go ahead and select the Hamster Kombat with a blue tick and then tap on Start. Now, click on Play in one click. Now tap on Launch. You will then be able to load Hamster Kombat bot. Click on the Next button to get started. Hamster Kombat is a popular game played within the Telegram messaging app. It is a cryptocurrency-based game where you raise a virtual hamster and participate in clicks and other activities to earn in-game currency. And that is how you can easily download and get started with Hamster Kombat. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.